Welcome to the Keto Diet Guide channel. On this channel we discuss helpful tips and tricks when it comes to doing the keto diet. Today we'll be discussing the effects of the keto diet and diabetes. What is the keto diet and can keto diet have any connection with diabetes prevention? This is a common question asked by people searching for the best diet plan. The keto diet is found to be very effective in people suffering from excessive weight gain problems. Diabetes or hyperglycemia is a common trouble reported due to the excessive consumption of calorie-rich foods. Unconsidered consumption of carbohydrate-rich foods can give rise to higher body mass index and weight gain problems. It is generally suggested to select a proper diet plan that limits the consumption of calories in daily life. When searched, the keto diet is found to be as the best suggested plan for those in need of a low-calorie diet schedule. This diet mainly concentrates on foods with high nutritional value to keep your body fit. The keto diet is recognized as the best diet plan that can reduce the risk of diabetes in life. As we said earlier, the keto diet mainly focuses on nutritional value pack food that reduces sudden increase in blood sugar spikes. This can also reduce the risk of diabetes in the future. This is why choosing the keto diet is the right thing to do. Obesity is one of the main causes of many health issues, including diabetes. The majority of the obesity condition often happen due to excessive consumption of carbohydrates on a daily basis. This bad habit in turn leads to poor function of kidney. Also, having a poorly functioning kidney can be the main cause of having a weak pancreas and poor bile flow. This feature in turn increases your belly fat and your body will gain weight faster. Your pancreas plays a great role in promoting healthy bile flow and natural detoxification in your body. Having a weak pancreas due to excessive carbohydrate consumption can reduce your body's production of insulin compounds. Insulin resistance in your body can directly act as a triggering factor for the formation of diabetes risks. This is why you should feel free to select the keto diet as you diet when it comes to diabetes. For more helpful tips for beginners trying to master the keto diet, check out the links in the description for a custom keto diet test, or visit our website. And be sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.